Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video showing you guys my profits for today. Today is Thursday, May 8th, 2025, and as you guys can see, my profits for today, well, it's actually not $51, but it's actually $660. I'll show you a quick screen capture of when I was selling out of NVDA. You can clearly see it's over 500, but as I said before, my entire day has been $660, so I'll go through all the breakdown. It's been a series of day trades and swing trades. So yeah, let's get right into the video. All right, and as I mentioned, we were doing a swing trade and we did day trade. So for this particular stock, I did NVIDIA, which is ticker symbol NVDA, and this was a swing trade. So when I actually got into this stock, I can go all the way back to the 180 day. I can clearly show you that I got in around 112, only 100 shares. Why did I get in? Because let's just do the quick breakdown right here so you guys can see it better. Okay, so it was back in April 16 when I took this trade. I actually got in. I saw an opportunity after it went down. You guys can clearly see that it clearly gapped down, and I was like, okay, so I'm gonna go in, but very likely I'm not gonna go in with too heavy on the shares. So I got in 100 shares at 112.43. Normally what I would do is I'll wait for it to dip down even more and then get in, but this time I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna play it safe. I'm just gonna make this like a $500 swing trade and then sell out no matter what. And that's what I did. I stuck to my guns and pretty much we came out on top. So when I got in, like I said, 100 shares at 112.43, went down, a gap down. We pretty much had this nice gap fill, consolidated a little bit, and then some more news came out. We actually went up higher, consolidated, and then this was yesterday. I can go into it right here. Before we actually closed, we can clearly see that yesterday we got the news that the AI chips were being rescinded through Trump's order. So when that news came out with the tariffs being rescinded, it just pretty much gapped all the way up. We had this nice pump going all the way up, almost to the point where it's like 3.75%. That's really nice. So if you actually got in a little bit before the market closed yesterday, you would have had a nice pump up. Hopefully you made some money if you did, if you did trade or day traded NVIDIA. So what happened was I actually kept it as it was, and I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna wait till the next morning, then I'm gonna sell out. Well, when this morning came, we clearly see that it opened up and then we had this huge sellout because obviously there was a lot of profit taking. Institutions, you name it, retail traders, everyone's just trying to take their profits. So with that being said, we got this nice, sell-off going on here. And at that time, I think I would have been like around 400 or so going down. So by the time I realized, okay, so I'm just gonna leave it, see what happens. Once it gaps back up, I'm gonna sell it once it hits 500. And you can clearly see from the video, I set my price target that I wanted to get out. Obviously, we see the rally still continue. And as of right now, while I'm recording this video, the market is actually still open. So we have like an hour and a half, before the market closes. When I sold out, I cleared $514 on this trade when I set my price target to get out. And then I sold out 100 shares at 117.57. You can do the math. Absolutely insane. Just a really nice and well thought out plan. Again, guys, you have to be careful when it comes to this trading stuff. You have to always make a plan. If you don't stick to your plan, you're gonna end up losing money. And you guys have clearly seen that I've been sticking to my plan and I've been walking out in the green every time. So that would have been my swing trade for the past couple of weeks. My next trade that I went into for today was actually Warner Music Group, so WMG. Today it came out with their news, so they had news today. The news reported today was really bad for Warner Music Group, and we can clearly see that for their earnings, they actually missed by 56.54%, which is very bad, and sending the stock like almost 10% down on the day. So when it comes to revenue, we can clearly see that they reported 1.48 billion, estimates wanted 1.52 billion, which is, 2.17%. Miss, which isn't too bad, too horrible, but as far as the EPS goes, they were looking for 0.282 and they reported 0.123 for the EPS, sending the stock all the way down. For me, when I actually saw that opportunity, I said, okay, I'm just gonna get in, wait for the consolidation to happen and some sort of uptrend happening. So if you clearly see that this graph is going up, I didn't just get in at the absolute bottom, because what can happen, it can just, the bottom can always keep going lower. The lows could just keep going lower, as we can tell from the past. So once I saw the trend going up, I got in 500 shares, $27.47, $27, $27.46. And then I waited a little bit. For this trade, I actually just wanted like $50, but turns out I got $70 on this trade. So sold out 500 shares, 27.60. But right now you can clearly see that it did go up a little bit higher. Again, it's not about absolutely catching the absolute top of the trade itself, but it's about making a plan. It's about limiting yourself, limiting your trades. This is only one trade that I've done here for today, and yeah, I'm absolutely happy with that. So adding the profits from my 514 to my 70, it's just been an awesome, really overall awesome day today. So we can also see that the market itself is pretty much green in the entire market, so that's a good thing. And I just want to show you another stock that I actually did a quick swing trade, nothing too crazy, which was Amazon. So for Amazon, I only made $81 for today. I just want to show you here where I sold out. So I sold out here 20 shares, nothing too crazy. I'm not even gonna go into it because it's just like, it's only like $81, nothing, it was a quick swing trade. And again, it's not about getting out at the absolute top, but I just wanted to share this here with you, just adding this $81 to my overall profit, bringing it to $660. So if I go back to NVDA, which was the main driver for the profits, is what I want to mention and talk about today. So we see that the news, it's just been really great news when it comes to NVIDIA. We can go back to the 180-day. We do have earnings coming up at the end of the month, so we're gonna see what happens with that. Let me know in the comment section down below. Are you guys actually trading NVIDIA? Are you guys doing trading today as a whole? Let me know in the comment section. I did receive a couple comments. I did receive a couple of you guys comments. I'm really appreciative of it. I'll try to make a video. Someone was asking about what indicators I have been using. I'll definitely do a video for you guys. And yeah, just let me know in the comment section, how did you guys actually do today? As I said, right now we're still in the trading day, and we have pretty much, like an hour and a half or so to go. It's 2:30 right now, as you guys can see. Market closes at 4 o'clock Eastern time. We're still going up. Obviously, we can still go back in, but again, like I've said, once you make your money, just walk away, take the gains, and don't even look back. Tomorrow's another day. I'm pretty much going to be done for this week, and maybe going into next week, we'll see what happens, and I'll probably do another swing trade, or if I see tomorrow for a really nice day trade, I'll probably get back into that. So yeah, I'll just keep it short and sweet. And like I said, if you guys have any other questions or information, let me know in the comment section down below. You guys already know what to do. So it's been a really nice swing trade plus day trade overall, bringing me up $660 for the week. I'm absolutely happy with that. So yeah, I'm just going to keep it short and sweet, like I said. And you guys already know what to do, man. Hit the subscribe, the notification bell. Man, you know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.